Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I wanted to talk about the Alcatel P1. This is a really solid budget phone. Right now, you could purchase it. I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. I actually got mine while it was on like the pre-sale for $150, which is a steal considering everything that the device is going to come with. It features something called the AMOLED display, as well as a dynamic island, and it's going to offer you 256 gigabytes of internal storage with the in-display fingerprint sensor and some pretty decent hardware as well as some software. So if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you stay locked into the end of the video, because I want to talk to you about some tricks for the dynamic island on this phone to actually customize it, and also a couple of other features that I wanted to actually show you as well. So make sure you stay locked in. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead, unlock the device. You see it has the in-display fingerprint sensor. I actually unlock it all the time with this. I don't use the facial recognition just because it's so quick. It doesn't make sense to use the facial recognition if the fingerprint sensor is so quick. So you can see at the top where my island is, there are a bunch of notifications there. So I want to show you how to actually get it so that when you tap on the island, you can get your notifications like this. Because a lot of the times, when you're using this with the default app called Dynamic Island, it doesn't let you do that shortcut. Like for the first week or two, maybe even 3 weeks, it let me do that, and then it would actually open up the whole screen and it wouldn't do the pop-up animation. So one of the things I did was I went into display and I disabled the Dynamic Island here on my display options, and then I disabled that altogether so that this one won't be on. So you can see that if I turn that on, you can see that when I turn it on, there's like an overlay of another dynamic island. That's because I downloaded this app that I want to show you. So first thing you want to do is go into the Play Store after you disable Dynamic Island, and you want to type in the Play Store Dynamic Island for Android. So I actually have this app on my phone from the Alcatel, and I downloaded this so I could actually customize it. And I see that there's actually an update. So it says what's new. User can now set music player background color Indonesia Turkic language added. So they have more languages. They have an improved UI, app performance, bug fixes, high default notification bar, and a bunch more. So you can connect Bluetooth. You could connect Bluetooth connection display and notch while connect with percentage like earbuds. So they actually added this feature where you can connect with percentage of your battery with the earbuds, so you can see the battery percentage there. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and update it. And so yeah, first thing you want to do is download this. As soon as you download it, obviously you're gonna get the latest version with all the updates in it. So you could actually purchase this for $3.50, or you could just watch one ad a day, and you get all the features, basically the features that you need. So as you can see right here, it's already activated on my phone. This is one of the ads. You just close it and then it's over with. So here it is. It says right here, what's new? So right here, Bluetooth device connection. So it's right here. If you click this, basically, it says right here that the Bluetooth device connection Dynamic Island now displays your connected Bluetooth devices and their battery status at a glance. So you can check instant updates right from the notch without opening the settings when you're connecting. So that's kind of crazy. You also have hide notifications. Tired of duplicate notifications? Now you can hide system notifications to prevent repeated alerts. Enjoy a cleaner, smoother notification experience. So you won't get duplicate notifications, you'll just get the ones from your island. So you can see right now it's just a punch hole because it's telling me these features, but once I get out of this, it'll update. So it does also have automatic notch color by app, so you can do that. And you have multiple notch for multitask. So now you can access the notification even when the music or navigation is running. You can disable notch from other settings. And then you have your live map directions in the dynamic island. So it's going to basically show your ETA, your directions inside of the notch as well. So now you get that with that little pop-up window. This is exactly what we want. We also have music playback in the dynamic island. So whenever you have a song playing, you can control that with this dynamic island app. And basically it gives you blurred effect while playing music. Enjoy a seamless music experience. So this is the app that you want to download, because it's going to allow you to do all of these cool things. You can mute all notifications in dynamic island as well. You could also remove notch in selected apps. So if you don't want to use the notch while you're playing a specific game, you can go into the hide notch in apps, disable the game or the notch in the game, and it'll give you just the punch hole to look at. So now you'll get that small little punch hole, and you can see the difference before and after. So this is actually a really good app. And then it also says you could go here to go to settings, flashy border when notification occurs, go to display. You can get a flashy border versus just a regular one. So right here I have the flashy border activated. So that's everything that's new. Let's go back, and that's everything that I wanted to show you that's new in here. So this is how I have mine set up. It says enable it, so you go ahead, enable the island. Now you're going to see the island pop up. If you tap it, one of the cool things that it does, let me control my quick controls. So I have quick controls turned on right here, so I can put all of these different toggles on. So I put them all on: location, hotspot, D&D, vibrate, ring, lock, orientation. I can control all that right here through the notch. So I like that a lot. So you can actually remind later. So display, it gives you this ad every now and then. So you could do the height, you can do the style, you could even do the positioning of the dynamic island. So if you want it a little bit smaller, you can do it smaller. If you just want it just like that, the width, you can make it a little bit wider so that it covers the whole area. You can control the verticalness of it. So I really like this a lot. So that gives you the ability to actually customize it the way you want. That's exactly where I want it. It says right here, this is a premium feature. Just pay $3.50 and you can customize everything without any ads. Then it says notch theme by color, text color. So the flashy border, this is where you can give it a border color. So whenever you get a notification, you'll see like a yellow highlighted thing on the notch, just like that. So you can see that color when I did that, off and on. So that's what it looks like when you get a notification. You also have the music wave color. So when music is playing, let me show you for 1 second. I'm just gonna mute the music while it's playing, just so I don't get a copyright. Let's just hit the, so you can see I'm playing Red Man right now. And this is that notification that pops up right here. I could get rid of that. I could still see I have 3 notifications, so I could click that. I could swipe across to see all 3 notifications through the island. And I could close them all as I so please. And then when I want to go back to my music, I have control of my music through the island right here. This is really solid. So these are just a couple of customizations that I wanted to show you. When you're listening to music, obviously you press play and you go back, you're gonna see that on the island right here. And when you do navigation, let me open up Google Maps. I don't want to dispose my location, so let me just put a I'm gonna put like a destination in here. Let's just say CVS, and then start. So now when I'm doing my destination, it shows you the pop-up, so you can close that. But inside of the little notch, it's gonna show you the feet right here in the notch, which is really clutch. So that's really cool, because when you're doing navigation, you could just look inside the notch. Also, the timer is really good for this. So let's say you're in clock and you're doing a timer and you hit play. Let me exit navigation and close this. Let me pause the music too and do the timer. Hold on, does the timer show up? Okay, so the timer's not showing up right now. I think it's stopwatch or something. So let me see. I had it doing that before, so I'm not sure why it's not working now, but usually that does work. So yeah, those are just a few ways to customize it to your personal preference. Let me know if this is helpful. And then obviously you can control more settings in here. Stop. So right here you can control the calls in there, notifications, music player, album photo. As you know, you're gonna click on music notch while playing to control the music, and you can see the album photo as player BG as the player background. So I'm gonna turn that on. Let me see if that'll work if I hit play. Yeah, so the album cover background, that's working. This is just a really cool app. Obviously, like, you will get an ad right here. So if you get the free version, it's only like what, $3.50. I think it's worth it to use all these features for the lifetime of basically the phone or the app or whatever. Like, it's gonna last a whole lifetime until they keep using this app, obviously. So let me skip this ad. Those are just the main features. You do get charging animations and stuff like that, but those are the main features. With this, obviously you get text messages in here, phone calls in there, and more. But let me know if this video was helpful to you. If you did find it helpful, make sure you hit the like button to show your support and appreciation. And I just want to remind you to type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me, and I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.